Hi, don't you hate it when you lift up the hood on your Lexus RX350, but it won't stay up? It just falls back down? Today I'm going to show you how I fix that. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll know when I upload more videos. Hi, it's Dave. If the hood on your Lexus RX350 won't stay up, like this one won't, the problem is the struts right here, which are worn out, and the two struts, one on either side, need to be replaced. So in order to make this fix, you're going to need a small lacrosse stick, really, or anything else that'll hold the hood up. Two new struts. I got these ones that are made in the USA. I bought these at the local auto parts store, but you can get them anywhere. And you're going to need a flat tip screwdriver. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this strut on this side. So you can see that there's a clip here. So I'm just going to take a flat tip screwdriver and I'm going to pry that clip off. Okay, and then I'm just going to pull it off, pry it off of there. Next we're going to take it off of the bottom. It can be a little bit of a challenge, but if you just bend it off like that, it should come off. Next, I'm going to take my new strut and I'm going to attach it on the bottom. Just pop it right in. Now I'm going to attach the top, and I have to turn it like that, and gonna have to lift up the top and just pops right on. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And the bottom. Pops off. And then we're going to pop the new one on. Bottom pops on. And we'll have to lift up our hood a little bit. Pop the top one on. Okay, and now we can hold up the hood without the help of any miniature sports equipment. Thanks a lot for watching. Best of luck. If you have a similar problem, like and subscribe for more content. Thanks. See you next time.